Realme's latest flagship smartphones, the Realme 12 Pro and 12 Pro Plus, have taken the Indian market by storm, selling an impressive 150,000 units during their first sale. This record-breaking achievement in the Rs. to 5K 5K price segment follows over 120,000 pre-bookings, showcasing the high anticipation for these mid-premium devices. Launched on February 6th, the Realme 12 Pro series offers top-notch specifications. The Realme 12 Pro features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus curved AMOLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Powered by a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 platform, up to 12 GB RAM, and up to 256 GB storage. It boasts a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor. The Realme 12 Pro Plus upgrades to a Snapdragon 7 South Gen 2 chipset and includes a 6.4MP periscope telephoto, ends with up to 120x zoom. Both models come with in-display fingerprint sensors, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and are IP65 dust and splash resistant, supported by a 5000 mAh battery with 67 SuperVOOC fast charging. Priced attractively, with the Realme 12 Pro starting at Rs. 25,999 and the Realme 12 Pro Plus at Rs. 29,999. Realme offers launch discounts and cashback, making these smartphones a compelling choice for buyers.